Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to add a home or rental property to your Geico policy in 2025. Alright, this is gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Geico account. You can choose to log in on the online platform, that's the Geico website, or you could choose to do so on the Geico mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on policy details and then select add property. Next, you're going to need to enter the property's information. So just go ahead and enter the property's address, property value, as well as property type. Next, you're going to provide additional details about the property. Of course, that might include its age, its size, as well as its condition. So go ahead and provide that. Next, you're going to review and update your coverage options. So go ahead and take your time to review and update your coverage option as needed. Once that's done, confirm the changes to your policy. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a home or rental property to your Geico policy in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys